Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for July 9th, 2015. And we're going to have a complex system here moving from the Ohio Valley here. Looked like it was going to head directly across our coverage area here, but the last couple model cycles have been showing this inching a little bit further north. So here's your area low pressure. It's going to be sitting this morning near Cleveland, Ohio. And it's going to have a warm front to the north like this, cold front sitting back here like this, and at some point as this moves to the east here, you're going to have a prefrontal trough axis that's going to form right out in front of it also. It's going to become the focus of a couple different things. We've got scattered showers and thunderstorms associated with this, but you also have a lot of potential for supercell and rotating thunderstorms, which is pretty high given the synoptic setup with this system here as it moves eastward. So we're going to be keeping a close eye on this today, because this is one of those situations that can certainly sneak up on you. It doesn't look like much, but here is your low pressure system. Of course, your warm front like this. Your cold front is sitting back here like this, and this is your prefrontal trough axis at this point. So we'll keep an eye on this today, and we will definitely keep it updated for anything that's issued as far as watches or warnings across the coverage area here. Let's go over the NAM high-res futures simulator radar, and here's an idea of what we're looking at. This is looking at 4 a.m. or 4 p.m. according to the NAM, after a partly to mostly cloudy day across the region here in areas farther east. It will be very warm again today. Here's this area of organized activity coming. Again, this is going to be coming across in association with that cold front, with that system, and the leeward trough. So we're going to have first the storms we're expecting us to initiate in supercell mode. So we're going to start off in supercell mode. I do think at some point, once it gets into extreme eastern PA, it starts congealing into a line segment, and we start dealing away with the supercell potential. Why is that important? Supercells are going to promote rotation, possible tornadoes, possible large hail. Once you get in a line, you go more linear, and that is going to be promoting more of a straight line wind threat once that happens. So we do prefer the straight line winds over these tornadoes, so we'll have to see how this pans out. NAM is actually one of the latest in timing with the rest of the model guidance. We did go a little bit further, a little earlier than what the NAM is showing here. The NAM is actually indicating this heavy stuff is only at 8 o'clock, just getting to eastern PA. We have it a little bit earlier, what we sent to our clients, and then it heads into New Jersey in a weekend state. And this is now looking at 11 o'clock at night, and this is going to continue pushing off the coast here, and then we're going to be drying out behind this frontal boundary fairly quickly, and it's going to be a beautiful, beautiful next couple of days once we get past this system. So here is this system that we're talking about today. It's going to move off the coast very rapidly. High pressure is sitting right here, and this is what we're going to be watching for the next couple of days. This is going to be what's going to keep it. It's going to basically play traffic cop and not allow anything to come in our area, even though there's several disturbances that are lurking. Here's the first one, and it's forced to the south as high pressure is sitting right over top of us. You got a big H sitting over us here Friday evening. So there's your first piece of disturbance that's trying to come in, and it comes towards the high, and the high says, you head down this way, and it does. Okay, and that's we're looking at Friday. Now it's only a weak disturbance to begin with, but the next system's coming in here, and this is now looking at late Saturday into Sunday. High pressure still sitting actually directly over northeast PA at this point. This is early Sunday morning. Looks like this system's coming right towards us for later Sunday, and then it kind of hits on the brakes here. He comes charging in here, gets to about Detroit here, and then just slams on the brakes because it can't go any further until we get into later Monday. We finally get into some isolated showers and thunderstorms later Monday, and then again we get into more scattered showers and thunderstorms by the time we get into Tuesday, it looks like, before we clear out. So we will have very, very warm temperatures this weekend. We're going to be hitting 90 in some locations, especially as we head towards Sunday. With the heat and humidity returning by Sunday, but Friday and Saturday look like, despite mostly sunny skies, we're going to be a very kind of like a cool, dry heat. Not cool, dry heat, but a dry heat we're looking at here with a northwesterly wind flow here on both Friday and Saturday. So we'll feel a lot nicer than the temperature indicates, even though we're expecting mid to upper 80s both days for many locations. So once we get into Sunday, winds turn southwesterly, heat and humidity increase, and that's going to last right through next week, it looks like. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for July 9th, 2015. Have a great Thursday.